I'm surprised this game doesn't have, like, bears.
Don't bring that into existence.
Yeah, that would be low-key terrible.
I was very wrong.
Alright. Cave here? Question mark? Oh, we've been in this one.
It's the one for the zipline gun, I believe.
Yeah. So we have... Yeah, because we want to go to the one at the base of the mountain, right?
So there's two of them to the west. The two to the west of the mountain has what we need. We need the gun, and then once we have the gun and the rebreather, we go to another one in the west.
Okay. Well, there's one dead ahead that we can check out.
Next, we have the rebreather. We just need the gun. And then another cave, also to the west, will have the shovel.
Dude, our characters get cardio for days.
Right?
I can't imagine hauling ass up the side of a mountain like this.
Yeah, no.
In Ark. That's all we did.
True.
Yeah.
Oh, we leave trails in the snow. Interesting.
Oh, hell yeah.
Oh, he's Skyriming.
And it's working. That's so funny. Well, we're close to it. Bats. No bats?
Oh, you went in. Dude,
Yeah.
this is cool.
It's just crafting supplies and stuff.
Oh, what the hell is this? That's big. Guys, how did he miss this?
How did I miss
How did he
what?
miss
Who's going
this?
down first?
What?
How did you miss this?
Miss what?
Come look.
Oh, Jesus fuck.
Did you hear that roar?
Who's going down first?
Sec.
I'm going in.
Look, Peach, you got your dream after all. We get to go spelunking.
I don't like these sounds.
Is there anything else?
I think that's it.
What did you miss this time?
No, I think that's it. I was panning the walls.
hearing some weird noises, so.
I think a lot of it's the groaning from the ice.
Ice does that?
Well, anything that is shifting and like pressing against something else can make those kind of noises when there's an echo. So like rock shifting, wood shifting, ice shifting.
There has to be something in here.
Oh God.
Is it just this note? What did you say, oh God, for? Hello?
Just going for a stroll, I guess. Oh, there she goes.
You can walk on ice.
Oh shit, she's like a clone of the daughter.
Okay,
Huh?
come on.
Oh no. Oh. That was quite the tumble.
The fuck is that pulsating to our right?
Hmm?
Do you see that on the map?
TV. That's the entertainment station.
Okay. No, there's something closer. It's like a white thing on the other side, like little white patch next to us. What the fuck is that? Hold on, slight detour.
I don't see it on our map. Or on mine, I guess.
Oh, because it blends into the snow if you zoom
Oh,
out too
it's a
far.
hang glider.
Oh shit, noted.
Should we set up camp up here?
I mean, there's already a little camp, so yeah, we totally could. I'll set up a little sleeping tent. We have so many fucking tarps now.
Well, we can sleep in these tents. Alright,
Okay.
head due south.
Love how you said like due south and then just immediately start sprinting, like no time to register. Oh my god, you grabbed the fucking thing.
Okay, where is this cave?
Ironically, we can build a rack for that thing as long as you like actually keep a hold of it.
Oh, dude. This place is beautiful. What
Oh,
the
you're
heck?
lost it in the tree.
This place is beautiful.
It's like a Bob Ross painting.
Oh my god. Thank God for DLSS.
Hey,
Oh, I stashed it in my inventory. I didn't know I could
Nice.
do that. Where is it? Oh, there it is. Love this
Oh my
thing.
god, this is 1,000 times creepier with only a flashlight.
That's why I have a machete. Water
See
cave.
what's here.
well, it looks like we're going for a swim, boys. Da-na-na-na-na. Behead to the bone.
Oh my god. There's skeletons down here.
Yep.
They didn't know how to breathe underwater.
To be fair, neither do we.
I hear something.
That's something?
Yep. Oh god,
Oh.
a big bad something.
Hey, what the fuck? I'm pulling out the gun. Fuck this. Where is that bitch?
Valid crash out.
Guys.
Yeah. Is it dead? Oh god.
I'm dead.
Oh no.
Fuck.
How? You blasted me.
I'm sorry.
How did you miss all of
Oh
your
god, I'm
shots?
in the goo. Oh god, I'm in the goo.
I'm coming. Don't respawn. Don't respawn.
I didn't
got
click
you.
respawn. My fucking
Not
skull.
you.
I'm in the goo.
Okay, it's
Oh
dead. It's
god.
dead. It drowned.
Oh, don't tell me it's all the way back here, motherfucker.
Ooh. Wait.
Alright,
Oh my god, and I don't have my fucking. Hold on.
so what's over here? What was it guarding?
Good thing I was here, and you both would have died.
I did die. I'm
Oh,
gonna go
no.
all the way back. Hopefully I have enough of my
Wait, how
fucking
far?
rebreather. Back to the beginning of the cave, I'm gonna
Sec?
go back to you guys. Hopefully my rebreather has enough oxygen.
I'm coming.
Sec, are you coming?
Yes, I'm coming. Wasted all my armor on that fucking thing. Oh shit! Why didn't you tell me? Oh, this is fun. Dude, I would have a fucking heart attack.
Well, hopefully we
just
don't have to
did.
go in any more water because I don't.
We do.
Unless we can find another tank. Because
We do.
Okay, there's another tank. Hold on, we're good.
You don't have to go underwater, thankfully. I'm gonna wait for her. I don't want to experience this without her.
Whee!
There's more up ahead, by the way.
Are there?
Oh, there you are.
Hello.
Let me armor up real quick. Any more bones? Alright, what do we got here? Ooh, more. Oh, that's buckshot. Alright. What did we come all the way here for?
Well, there's 9mm ammo over here.
Oh, thank God. Oh, yeah. That's the good stuff. Alright, what is this? That's a patient. Please don't tell me you came all the way here for flares.
I don't think so.
Nope, there's more.
Good. I feel like I'm playing Resident Evil right now.
Damn, all the hanging bodies remind me of the 1950s.
Oh my god, dude. I'm gonna have to be so fucking careful editing this shit. Oh god.
Hey, don't shoot me. Okay, you shot me.
I didn't do it!
I'm dead.
Hold on.
Oh,
Dude, what the fuck? Ah! That thing hit me, hit you, hit me again. Oh god.
oh, I'm in the goo thing that you were talking about.
I
Yeah,
hate
that's the
these
reason.
things.
You spawn all the way back at the
Get off
beginning?
me.
Where's my backpack?
It should be right in front of you.
Oh,
Are you back at the
Fuck.
beginning?
I'm out of ammo. God dang it. I'm running. Fuck this shit.
I'm not sure.
Well, I'm dead, so I'm gonna go wherever you apparently reappeared.
But they're not letting up.
Let's see where it puts me.
Oh my god.
Well, I hear gunfire, so I think we're closer than I was the first time.
Oh my god, they're everywhere.
That's just me fighting.
Okay, yeah, no, just put it back over here. We're good.
Oh wow,
So there are, like, checkpoints.
that was
That's good.
fast.
Oh god.
I'm just running ahead. Fuck this. I want to see what we came here for.
Run, 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 ah.
I think I got shot.
Dude, there's something in the water over like a big fucking building.
I'm gonna die again.
Dude, I'm sprinting. I'm running away from this thing fucking chasing me.
Yeah, that's fair.
What the fuck
I'll
what is
respawn.
that? Some weird side area from where it's like this. There's more of them. Can I go in that way? Did it spawn us like deeper into the cave than what he is?
I think so.
There's some kind of like monolith thing over here, like in the water.
Oh, you guys went ahead somehow. You guys
Oh,
went ahead.
that's what I was saying. Is I think it like spawned us into like. Yeah, 'cause there you are.
Yep, I just got here.
Oh! That's gold.
Alright, it's dead.
Okay.
Thank you, Sec.
Which there is more of them in here. I'll go that big bitch over here.
Oh Jesus, there's 2 of them. 3 of them. Oh, I'm dead.
Oh,
Yeah,
fuck
crazy.
that. You guys gotta run. You gotta run, AJ. I can't do that with just a machete.
Question, who the fuck do we run to?
I think back where
We spawn in?
we respawned, AJ.
Okay.
Oh, fuck.
Oh god.
Stamina.
Yeah, because I think we just bypass them completely. Sec this way.
Yeah. Oh! Any ammo, by the way? Just keep running, dude. It's behind us. Oh god. He's gonna knock you off. This better be freaking worth it. Please don't jump down here, buddy. Please don't jump down. Okay, good.
I
That'd be
figured out at
freaking
least one of the
crazy.
things the battery is for. Okay, now where the fuck did you guys go?
Oh, I could take this guy.
I'm hoping this way. Hoping this is
No!
the way.
Oh, there's a bigger dude.
Oh my god. Fuck it. God,
Okay, so that tells me it wasn't this way.
I'm
we
dead
need
too.
you.
Sec, just respawn.
There.
Did you pick up the grenades
Dude.
from the last?
Yeah.
Because we might have to use those on this guy. Okay, time to med up.
There, I got a grenade ready.
Alright, let's do this thing, guys. So yeah, big guy must have followed us down. Okay, grab the armor.
Where's the armor at? In
You have
the,
to, really, really far to the right. Like, you have to look really far to your right in the inventory.
Oh, I see it. Thank you.
Yeah.
Good, I needed some armor.
Where's this big boy?
Oh, there he is.
Found him. Ah, shit. Look out.
Oh, fuck. Got him. Missed that one. I can't walk through the fire. Here, get behind me.
We got
Oh,
him.
it's
He
dead.
said.
Hell yeah. Oh, he has good armor, I bet.
It's been coming around. I fucking just put it
Oh, he
in.
has
I hope
two of 'em.
so.
That's what I'm talking about. Oh, he's in our cave, I think. Thank God.
Oh, shit.
There's an astronaut down here.
No, that's a
Oh shit!
spaceship.
Parallel universes and shit. And then we saw the trailer for 3. We found that book, the alternate universes.
Oh, shit. This is cool.
How much you want to bet this is the ship from 3?
Well, I think it might be a ship of the same kind.
Oh, dude, what the fuck is that in there? Like a metal dude.
Are we able to go inside it?
Dude, there has to be something God tier in here.
Oh yeah, you can break the back right here.
Oh, okay.
This is freaking cool.
Oh, it's not Tesseract. Oh,
A
I
what?
grabbed it. That's probably not safe. Tesseract. Multi-dimensional, multi-form object.
Interesting.
Ancient armor collected.
Wait, what?
Oh shit. Yeah, that skeleton's freaking the fuck out. Oh, it's gone.
Oh, you can just wear it. It's like an outfit.
Oh,
Oh yeah.
Damn,
Is
that's
it actually-
so cool.
oh,
Yeah,
so
that
just puts it
definitely
on.
looks like the ship from the trailers. Well, one of them, yeah.
We came all the way here for this?
I mean, do you see
Is
how much
there-
armor it gives you once you put it on?
No? Wait, where is it?
There's still more.
All the way to the right. All the way to the right in inventory.
Uh, ancient armor. Oh my God!
Yep.
We win. Man, I was hoping for like a gun, but this works. This works.
Well, there's more too.
Shooting a gun.
Dude, you look cool as hell.
Let me see what you look like.
I thought you're looking at him every time you try to fucking look at me.
Oh yeah, that's pretty cool. Pretty neat. Oh, there's a rope here.
My head is in your ass.
Oh yeah. I love how there's like an animation for eating everything, but then when you eat the cat food, your character just like tosses the whole thing into your mouth. Holy shit. Am I almost out of the cave? Finally?
I love how this is better than most. Like, nope.
Fuck, dude.
How?
Did you fall? Are you good? Do I need to get you?
Yes. Just don't jump. And you might want to hurry.
I'm hurrying.
That was some bullshit. Okay. You can go ahead and go up.
Hold on.
No!
I swear to God.
Fuck, dude. What the hell? Help.
I'm coming. That's why I said I swear to God. As soon as you said it, I was like, I knew exactly what fucking happened. You go up first.
Dude. Oh my god.
What? They should make a game where it's just caves, and this would be like perfect.
Cave diving simulator.
Dude, that's what this is.
Well, thank you guys.
Oh my god. Yep. Oh. Fresh air. I never thought I'd taste it again. Alright, let's get to a safe spot.
I'm
Or
about
can
to
you
make
put
it. I was about to make a tent. I'm
statue?
gonna make this a safe spot.
Place. I love this game, but I need a break
We have been playing for like what, 4 or 5 hours?
since I got home.
Yeah, like 4 or 5 hours.
Yeah, 4 hours.